Yes, student. Now the next content is actually already we have observed in our previous chapter, previous class and video what dipole moment. But again, I am revising, okay, to capture most of the covalent molecule for better understanding of dipole moment of polyatomic covalent molecule. Student, as you know, simply dipole moment denoted by mu is actually what? Product of charges, okay, cations and anions, and the distance between the cation and anion, that is positive charge and negative charges. Getting? For a simple diatomic molecule that is containing only two atoms, the dipole moment calculation is not so difficult. Each and every diatomic molecule must have some dipole moment, okay, because there is only one dipole. But in the case of polyatomic molecule, that is what? That is for molecules having more than two atoms, that is more than two dipole moment, then dipole moment depends on two factors. Okay, factor number one, what? Individual dipole, okay, and number two, arrangement of atoms, okay, in the space, that is around the central atom, that is called what? In the space. That means for a diatomic molecule depends on only one dipole, but if there are more than two atoms present in a molecule, that means there will be more than one dipole moment, that is individual dipole moment, and therefore the overall dipole moment called what? A resultant dipole moment will depend on two factor, individual dipole and arrangement of atoms in the space. Are you getting? For example, dipole moment of water is 1.84 D. I explained you what is D. This is what? dBi. Okay, unit of the dipole moment. Okay, 10 to the power minus 18. Now, it is what? Triatomic molecule. Okay. If we discuss dipole moment of PeCl2, okay, or if we discuss dipole moment of CO2, then what? First we have to write, that is draw their structure. Like water, the structure is O, this is H, and this is what? Another H. Having what? Two lone pair. Is that it? BeCl2, this is Be, this is one of the Cl, this is next Cl. Okay. Now what? If we discuss the dipole moment, O is more electronegative, therefore the shifting of electron takes place towards O from what? H. It shows this is the indication of dipole moment. And also there is a lone pair. And it is towards the lone pair. The dipole moment direction is towards the lone pair. That means what? That means although it is triatomic, it is triatomic, it is triatomic. But here the structure reveals that the dipole directions sum up because the two dipole moment are in the direction of central atom. Getting? But in the case of BeCl2, there is a dipole directed towards Cl. Okay, so there is one dipole plus again the Cl is more electronegative, therefore it is directed towards another Cl. Okay, say fraction negative, fraction negative. But the problem is what? The direction is just opposite. Okay, individual dipole. Okay, direction is just opposite. Is just opposite. Okay, so overall, okay, that is called what? Resultant. That is called what? Resultant dipole moment is what? 0. Therefore, its overall dipole moment is what? 0. Again, in the case of CO2, this is C, this is O, and this is what? Double bond O. Now this is fraction negative, fraction negative. So dipole moment is in the direction of O, and here also it is in the direction of O, but then they are in opposite direction. Therefore, resultant dipole moment is again 0. Dipole moment is again what? 0. Although all these three are what? Diatomic molecule, and the polarity is present. That is, individual bond polarity is present, but dipole moment is not calculated only by individual polarity, but it is calculated by the arrangement of atoms in the space. So, being the arrangement are different, therefore their dipole moment is 0. Are you getting? That means what? That means simply we can see this is symmetrical molecule, but it is not symmetrical molecule. So in case of molecule is symmetrical, then the resultant dipole moment, will be 0 because all these will cancel out. Therefore, it will be what? 0. Okay. Example. Say CH4. Now the dipole moment direction is towards what? Carbon. In case of CCl4, this is Cl, and Cl. Again, it is symmetrical molecule, so it is again getting what? Cancel out. Getting? In case of BF3, like B, okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now again it is in the direction of what? Direction towards F, and having what? Symmetrical molecule. Therefore again dipole moment is getting cancelled out, like what? BeCl2, like what? CO2, like molecule. Getting? But remember, if even molecule is symmetrical, okay, but atoms are different, then there will be net dipole. This is very important thing. Okay. I will give notes on it. That means what? That means in the case of CH4, all the atoms are of hydrogen. In the case of CCl3, all the atoms are Cl. In the case of BF3, all the surrounding atoms are F. In this case, symmetry as well as same atoms are present in the surrounding. Therefore, there is what? Zero dipole moment. But in case of, okay, like here, you can took it like supplementary. In case of like this is C, this is Cl, 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 and now it is what? H. That is one of the atom is different. One of the atom is different. Then what? Then the dipole moment is not getting cancelled out. Okay, there will be some net dipole moment because here one of the atom is different. Although molecule is symmetrical, okay, but being C is more electronegative as compared to H, now the direction is changed. Here the direction in the case of CCl4, the direction is not changed. Direction in the direction of Cl, that is all the atoms are same, but here one of the atom is different. Therefore, there will be some dipole moment.